Hello, welcome to my channel. In order to draw isometric projections, we refer to given front view or top view or side view. In these views, most of the lines are either horizontal or vertical. In an isometric projection, lines that are horizontal or vertical in the given front view, top view or side view are called as isometric lines. These lines are drawn parallel to the isometric axis or parallel to the box. The lines which are inclined or drawn at some angle in the front view, top view or side view are called as non-isometric lines. The angles of these lines changes in the isometric projections, which is similar to a circle in front view or top view becomes ellipse in isometric. Let us understand by considering two orthographic views of an object how to construct such non-isometric or inclined lines in isometric projections. In this sum, what is expected that I will teach you how to work on angles. So first thing that we do is we draw like this, and I say here this is H equal to, this is R equal to, and this is L equal to. Where is O in this case? O is here. So O is this point. O is this point. Now understand that this is front view and side view. Okay, there is something new for you here. Front view and side view. Now front view and side view. So this is which angle method of projection? We don't know whether it is first or third angle method of projection because top view is not given. So in first angle method of projection, how we draw? We draw front view here and we draw left side view here and right side view here. And if it is third angle method of projection, then what we do? We draw front view, right side view on the right side and left side view on the left side. Okay. Now, how will we understand whether this is first angle method or third angle method? Okay, that is important to understand whether this is drawn by first angle method or third angle method, because otherwise it could be the right hand side view and we will consider it as left hand side view and we will get something different. Okay, we will get some different object. Now, in this present sum, you can see that this is a symmetric object. Symmetric. Okay, if it is a symmetric object, the view is symmetric. You can see this is symmetric. Now, since the view is symmetric, it doesn't matter whether it is right hand side or left hand side view. Both the side views, whether it is left or right, will give it to us like this only. Okay, the side view will be like this only. Only the difference can be if the side view is drawn from this side, then it may be something like this also. Same thing, but then drawn like this. Okay, it can also be like this. It depends on how the object is kept. So for understanding whether it is left hand side view or right hand side view, what I will do is I will construct the object, and if I construct the object, then it will be drawn like this. Now since this is somewhere I want you to understand how a side view looks like, I am drawing this object, the three-dimensional view of the object. See, it is like this, and this is drawn like this. And here you can see there is a curve here. So to draw curve, I will have to erase this portion, and this is also to be erased. This should be like this line and slightly like this. Here we will get a curve. Maybe the depth I have taken is more, but it should be less, like this. And it goes inside for what distance? It goes inside for this distance. So we will get a curve. And then there is a hole here. After drawing, we'll come to know whether we see this or not. So this will understand only after drawing, and it is like this. Okay. Now, where is the O in this view? Front view. Now, front view, this is front view. See, this is front view. Matlab, what you should see in the front, you should see from here. Okay, then it will be front view. Then which is O? Then O is this. O is this. And this will be front view. Okay, looking at this, we understand that this is front view and O should be here. Now this is side view. So this should be which side view? This is a side view which is drawn, which is seen from this side. This side. Okay. This is front view. This is side view. That's why, since this is the side view, that's why O is here. O is here. Okay, had it been this side view from this side. So had it been side view from this side view, then O would have come where? O would have come here. Is this concept clear to all of you? Now, in order to identify this is which side view, what I have done, I have actually drawn the object isometric view for you to understand. Now, look at this object. Look at this object and look at this front view and side view. So, first we understand the front view. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if would have been from the right side, then in the front view, the O will be on the left side only, or the right side. We will make it on right side.
O would be here in that case.
Okay, sir.
Would be here. Okay. So if you look at this front view, so after drawing the object, we should see this as the front view. We should see this as the front view. Are we seeing this as the front view? Yes, we see this as the front view. Means the front view that we have drawn is correct. So O is here and O is here. The front view is correct. Now the side view that is given is this. Side view that is given is this. So this is the side view. So after analyzing, we understand that in the side view, O is on the extreme right side of the side view. O is on the right side of the side view. So O is here. Okay, so this is the side view which matches. I also told you that the side view can be drawn like this also. Okay, so this is exactly identical to it, mirror image of this side view. So this side view you will get when it is drawn from this side, when it is drawn from this side. Okay, so you have to understand it is which side view, it is which side view. So whether no, what difference does it makes in drawing this? It makes this difference. Which O will you consider? Will you consider this O or this O? Will you consider this O or this O for drawing this LH and R? Okay, understand now. What is H? H is 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 32 is 72. H is 72. Okay, so all of you know that H is 72. So this is understood. Now, while writing R and L, which O should we consider? This O or this O? Okay, so it is very in this sum because it is mentioned which is the front view and which is side view. If it is not mentioned, that it becomes difficult. But in this case, it is mentioned which is the front view and which is side view. Now, since this is the front view, means you can consider this as the O. This is the O. So on the right side of O, what will we get? R is equal to 60. R is equal to 60. Okay, and this remaining dimension is this 50. Now, what will happen if you consider different another O? Another O is the H, R, and L. If you consider this O, what will happen? H remains the same. H is 72. That won't change. Now, if I say this is O, then this is 50 and 50 on the left hand side. So 50 on the left hand side. Okay, considering this as O. And if this is 50, then this is to be by default how much? 60. By default 60. Okay, so you can see here, this dimensions and these dimensions are equal. So either you consider this O or this O. If it is correctly given to us in the question, then either you consider this or this. In both the cases, we are going to get this as the final uh, isometric view or isometric drawing. Is this much clear to all of you? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No,
Clear.
sir.
Okay, so that you have to identify based on the questions. You can solve few more questions so that you will get clarity on this. Now, I actually wanted to talk about these angles here, how these angles will be drawn. So I will erase this portion. So first what will we do? We'll construct a box. So a box would be drawn like this. So roughly this is the box, and in this we know that this will be a complete line. This is O, then this will be a complete line for what distance, whatever is given. And here also we will know. Here we will draw this vertical line for what distance? 20 plus 32, that is 52. Okay, say 52. So this will be complete line at 52, and okay, like this. So this will be another plane here. Okay, this is another plane that I have drawn. Now understand that this angle 60, now this angle 60 will change. It will not remain 60 only. Okay, it will not remain 60 only. It will change from 60 to some different value. Now, when it changes from 60 to how much, how will we draw angle? It is very much easy to draw angle. How will we do that? How will we do that? For drawing this angle, which is at 60 degree, we should know this dimension. Which one? We should know this dimension from here to here. Now we don't know this dimension. If we know this dimension, then what will happen? If we know this dimension, then we'll draw this line like this here, and then we'll join. That's it. Done. Okay. And similarly, on the other side, what we should know this dimension. So how will we know this dimension? No, we are not going to use any trigonometry here. For doing this, what will we do? We will actually draw this. So how much is this distance? You can see this is 60, 60. So what will we do? We will draw a line of 60 here, 60. Okay, this I have drawn, and one point is here, other point is here. You should never mark points like this. You can see the point I have marked here. You should never do it like this. I am doing it so that you can understand where is my point. Okay, when you are doing it, it does not looks good. It doesn't look good, so you don't mark point like this. No, this point is which point? This point is this point. See in the isometric in the object. This is the point, and this is another point. Now from here, what I have to do? I have to draw a vertical line of 20 mm. So I have drawn a vertical line of 20 mm. So this is the distance of 20. Okay, 20. You have to actually draw this in the examination also. And then from here, you will draw a line at what angle? 60 degree. And from here, this point also you will draw a line at what angle? 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. And now we got this point. If I name this as A, B, C, D for your understanding. A, B, C, D. Now we know where is AB. Okay, we know where is AB. Where is the central vertical line? Like this. Now what you will do? You will take this distance in the compass. Let this distance be, if I name it as PQ. AP. Okay, you can see the distance AP. You take the distance in the compass, and AP is equal to PB. Okay, AP equal to PB. This is equal, symmetric. Now, where is this P on this? This total is 60, so P will be somewhere here, 30. Okay, this is P, correct? 30. So, if you take this distance AP in the compass, keep it on P and cut an arc on this side, on both sides rather, here and here. Okay, so you got now this is A and this is B. Join this here and it is done. Okay, now in order to obtain this point, what will you do? In order to obtain this point, you will draw a line like this, parallel to this line, here also and here also. So you got a point here again, and then join from this point to this point, like this, and then join this, and from here where you will join? We want now this point. We want this point. So how will you obtain this point? Again, draw a line parallel in this direction. So how will you draw a line parallel? Maybe like this. Okay, like this. And where it intersects on this vertical line, this point. So join this and join this. And from here you will draw a vertical line downward, and then from here like this, and here like this. Okay, then and then you have to draw a semicircle here. You know the procedure to draw a semicircle. Instead, it is how much? R10. R10 means total. It should be 20 only. 20. So if this total is 20, so it will be only 10 below here. Okay, like this and like this, and then use two centers and draw like this. And then you know you have to extend it in which direction? In this direction. By what mm? 15 mm. Which are the two centers? You extend those centers in this direction, and you will get it. We get it like this. Okay, only this portion. And this is done. Now what is left? This circle is left. This circle is left. So what you have to do? You have to first identify the center of this circle. So it falls on this line DC. You can see DC. DC is this line, DC, and the vertical line is this P. So that particular vertical line can be obtained like this. So you again draw it like this and draw it like this. So this is now the center point. Now once you obtain the center point, you know how to draw rhombus. What is the diameter? 20. So 10, 10 in each direction, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, like this. Now pay attention. How you should draw a rhombus? You should draw a rhombus like this. You should draw a rhombus like this. But instead of drawing it like this, students will make mistake and they will draw rhombus like this. Okay. So this is not a rhombus now. This is not a rhombus, and this is not is expected. How you should draw? So you be careful. You should not draw it like this. You have to draw in which plane? You have to draw in a plane which is parallel to this plane. Okay. So it should be like this only. And once you draw rhombus, you know how to draw circle in it, and then how to extend the uh, what you call radius, center points. Hope this is clear to all of you. And then finally you have to that is this is left. Finally you have to draw this which I forward, and right here just draw the arrow. That's it, and your isometric is done. One more line is left here. This one. So let me show you the solution. I have the solution of it here.
सर आप वो एंगल का प्रोसेस एक और बार समझा सकते हो सर प्लीज?
हाँ, मैं रिपीट करता हूँ. Okay, so see, this is the solution. See now, this is the slant surface. ऐसा ही slant surface पीछे भी है, behind, okay, which we cannot see. So see, this we cannot see. जैसे मैंने ड्रॉ किया है, okay, we cannot see. तो उसको ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश मत करो जो दिखेगा नहीं. ठीक है? So don't give dimensions. Now what you want how to obtain this, no? How to obtain this slant wala angles. So pay attention here. See, I have marked the points here A, B, C, and D. Why I have chosen this? Because angle is here. This angle is 60 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Now, in order to draw this 60 degree, I cannot draw it 60 degree here. If I draw it 60 degree here, see, this is, even if you say this is 60, this is not 60. So that is not done. Okay, you have to, because angle changes in isometric. As this vertical line changes to 30 degree, this angle also changes to some degree, and that we don't know. Okay, because this here itself it is non-isometric lines. So what is to be done? In order to do that, we will consider this part. Okay, so this part as it is we will draw to the scale. Remember, this is 60, so this is also 60, and then from here a line at 60 degree and a line at 60 degree, and then this vertical line of 20 at a distance of 20 mm. And now this is reproduced A, B, C, D. You will have to actually draw this on the paper, and this should be seen. You don't erase this afterwards. Once you obtain this A, B, C, D point, where is this axis? Axis is passing to the midpoint of AB. Okay, that is at 30, 30 from the center axis, 30 is here and 30 is here. So from this point 30 here, from this point 30 here, you get point Q. Draw a vertical axis which represent point P. So now we got A, B, C, D and point P and point Q. Okay, so that point we have to locate now here. So first we'll locate point P. How will we get point P? The point P is at what distance? 30. Okay, 30. So if this line, the bottom plane, the behind plane, the plane which is extremely behind, this plane which I am showing, this plane, सबसे पीछे वाला, यहाँ पर ऑन दिस यू मार्क दिस पॉइंट एट व्हाट डिस्टेंस 30, मतलब इस पॉइंट से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा 30. सो यू गॉट दिस पॉइंट पी. पी okay, once you get the point P, take the distance in the compass. How much distance? PA or PB. PA is equal to PB. Take the distance in compass PA and cut an arc here. PB, cut an arc here. Okay, so you get these 2 points AB, join it. Okay, join it, and then from this point A, this, where, which is this point? This point is D here, D, which we had already done. So DA, join DA. So DAB, and similarly there is point C which is not in the picture. And now this is the bottommost behind portion, behind. Okay, now we have to draw at a distance of 20 mm, 20 mm towards the observer from behind. So 20 mm towards the observer from behind. So for that, what will we do? We will draw these lines, this line, or we will draw this line. Okay, what distance? 20 mm, 20 mm, and join this, and draw this line, and join this like this. So that will give us the uh, front portion of this whatever this L shape is. Okay, and how to obtain this center? You know how to obtain this center. This center point is this. So it is on DC line, and on this vertical 30 mm here and 30 mm from this side and 30 mm from this side. And that has to be drawn on which face? Not on this face AB, not on AB face. It has to be drawn on this face. If I name this as some, suppose two more names. No, this face, understanding the face is important. What I am saying is face or plane. Face or plane. Okay, that is important. So this AB, the center is to be identified on which plane? Say MN plane, which is obtained by this plane. Okay, that this plane, MN. So on this you have to find this center, and not on this AB plane, not on the AB plane, but on MN plane. Okay, any doubt to any student?
नो सर.
नो सर. सर मतलब वो
No, sir.
60 डिग्री की लाइन हमें बनाना पड़ेगी ना,
हाँ,
फिर जिधर वो इंटरसेक्ट करेगी वो ए बी बन जाएगा.
करेक्ट एक्चुअली ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा उतना डिस्टेंस. ये डिस्टेंस फिर से स्केल से मेजर नहीं करना है, कंपास से मेजर करना है, और फिर वो मार्क करना है यहाँ पे. बिकॉज स्केल में यू विल नॉट गेट एग्जैक्ट डिस्टेंस. 70, अगर ये डिस्टेंस है सपोज 46 mm, 46 mm कैसे मिलेगा हमको? नहीं मिलेगा ना. 46 को कोई 45 लेगा, कोई 47 लेगा, तो कंपास से लेंगे तो करेक्ट मिलेगा. एंड दैट टू सी टू इट दैट यू आर यूजिंग दैट 0.5 mm वाला लीड का क्लच का पेंसिल. इफ यू आर यूजिंग दैट 2 mm लीड वाला जो पेंसिल मिलता था, जो स्कूल में यूज करते शार्पन वाला, उसका लीड का डायमीटर कितना था? 2 mm. सो 2 mm में तो 1 mm तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा यहाँ पे कंपास में भी. ओके, तो कंपास में भी कौन सा पेंसिल होना चाहिए? 0.5 mm लीड वाला जो क्लच पेंसिल आता है, मैकेनिकल पेंसिल है, वो यूज करना है.
सर और जो ऊपर का एलिप्स है उसके लिए हम लोग ने रोम्बस कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है वो 20x20 का है कि 10x10 का सर?
ये ऊपर का रोम्बस ये कितना रहेगा? डायमीटर 20 है तो 20x20 का.
अच्छा
अच्छा,
ये नीचे वाला सर,
नीचे भी 20 होना चाहिए ना, 20 होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
ये कितना है? रेडियस 10, मतलब डायमीटर कितना हो गया? 20. तो दोनों का डायमीटर 20 है, तो ये भी 20x20 का ही है. तो 10 नीचे है इसका, 10 ऊपर है. करेक्ट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो इसे लाइक जरूर कीजिए, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए और ऐसी वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू। इन ऑर्डर टू